Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you 3 WhatsApp new update. Add verification link in WhatsApp new feature WhatsApp update. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your WhatsApp apps, tap on this. Next, tap on updates option, tap on this. Tap on story option. You can see that more option, more emoji this. Select any emoji. Next, second option, go to your new group, new update group, tap on this. Tap on your group profile. You can see that more option. Tap on your invite option. Next, tap on QR code. Your new update group QR code. Go back. You can see here any more option. Select any one option and message them. Now go back. You can see here third option. Tap on three dot icon. Next, tap on setting. Next, tap on profile icon. You can see that 4 option: name, about, phone and links. Tap on links. You can see that your WhatsApp links is added Instagram. Tap on this. Tap on save. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks.